Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Informative Vlogs by Umar. Today we are making a tutorial on demand of Mr. Mafred on Janome 813. In this video we will guide you how to operate Janome 813 different designs. So let's start the video and I will guide you how to thread this Janome 813. First of all, put the thread over here, then bring it from this side from tension plates. Look at this. When you're putting over here, you have to lift up the foot of the machine and then rotate the wheel of machine and put this on that lever of the machine, put under this hook, then bring it over here on this foot. Then the last step is to enter the thread under the needle from the front of the needle. Look at this. The thread process is completed. Let's go to the lower threading option of the machine. Remove this plate of the machine, put thread under this bobbin case of the machine. Look at this. You have to bring it under this cut and then put it inside the machine. Look at this, like this. It is fitted. Then rotate the wheel of the machine. The lower thread is come over here. Look at this. The thread process from the both of the side is completed. Now fix the extension of the machine over here like this. So thread process and extension process completed. Let's go to the stitching process. First of all, if you want to do the stitch, put it over here on the stitching option. Look at this. It will rotate. When you want to change the design, it is the selector, then press it so that it will be locked. It is for the length of the stitching. It will be used for the breadth of the zigzag. You can move the needle from this route. It is for the tension of the machine. You can loose or tighten the thread from the lower or upper thread. If you want to tighten the lower thread, you have to increase the number. If you want to tighten the upper thread, you have to decrease the number of the tension. It is for the setting of the stitch adjustment. Now put it. Look at this. We are doing the normal stitching. Normal stitching is processed. The machine is doing the better stitching. Now, if you want to do the zigzag, you have to lock it over at number 7. Look at this. The machine is doing normal zigzag. Look, it is doing the zigzag. The zigzag process is completed. Now, if you want to decrease the zigzag breadth, you can decrease it from the lower lever. Look at this. The breadth is decreased by here. If you want to decrease the length, you can decrease from the round knob. Look at this. The zigzag option is clear. Look, you can decrease by here the length. Now let's go to the other options. If you want to change the other designs, you can bring the lever over here and you can increase or decrease the breadth from this, decrease the length of the machine so the design will be make beautiful. Look at this. When you are starting the machine, start with the lower speed so that you can see that machine is working perfectly or not. Look at this. This is the dot zigzag. Let's come to the dark zigzag designs. Look at this. Number 1. Put it under the one. Look at this. The machine is creating very beautiful designs. You can watch it. Very beautiful designs. You can make it under any kind of dress or frocks or anywhere where you want to like to add these designs. Look at this. Look, the design is creating very beautiful. You can make two designs from one design by increasing or decreasing the length or breadth of the machine. Now let's go to the second design. Look at this. You can increase or decrease from here. These are the dark designs, which are the full of threads. For these designs, you have to adjust the length of the machine very low, so that the design will make very beautiful and attractive designs. Look at this. Design is creating very beautiful. Look how beautiful designs are making. You can now change the third designs. These are all dark thread designs. I will show you the double threading designs also. Look at this. You can increase or decrease the number from here. Look at this. You have to step it over here. These are all dark designs, very beautiful and very attractive. For making the designs beautiful, you have to select the beautiful colors also. Look at this. Design is very beautiful. You have to select the beautiful colors also, so that it will attract on that cloth. Now let's go to the designs. Look at this. It is also dark design. Look at this. Let me make it and I will show you the design. Look at this. Very beautiful design is creating. And machine is also moving very smoothly and perfectly. The design is completed. Look, you can make these designs on the frocks of the girls or any kind of dress, pants and sleeves. Now let's go to the designs which are moving on double threading. You have to adjust it on number 4. Those designs which are working a reverse process, you can set them on number 3 or number 4, the length of the machine, so that the design will make beautiful and attractive. Let the design will complete. I'll show you. Look at this. This design, by this design we can make another design also by decreasing number. Look at this. I am putting it on number 3. It is creating another beautiful design. All these adjustments are in your hand. You don't need to follow my only instructions. You can adjust by yourself also. You can decrease or increase the length, and you can do it practically on your machine, so that you must be know about it, that your machine designs. Look at this. I make this design, and from the one design I change them and created 3 different shapes of the design. Look at this. 3 different shapes from one design. Now let's go to another design. Look at this. It is also double threading moon design. First we created it by single threading, and now we are making it on double threading. Let the design is completed, then I will show you the result. Look at this. All these designs are double thread designs. For them you have to adjust them on number 3, and for dark designs you have to adjust it on number 1 or 0.5. Now let's go to another design. After that I will show you the PICO and overlocking also on this. Such beautiful designs are creating by this machine. Look at this. The design is in process. Let the process completed, then I will show you. Look at this. Such a beautiful and attractive design. Look, very beautiful designs. And then we will go to another design also. Look at this. We can change the designs from this selector, and after selecting you have to press the knob, so that the design must be locked. Otherwise design will not perfectly working on that machine, because it needs to be locked. All designs, after selecting them, you have to lock it by pressing the knob of the selector, so that the design will be work perfectly and attract on your dresses or clothes. Look at this. The design is perfectly designed. Look. Now I will show you the PICO option. For PICO, you have to change this foot and put the foot number F. This will make the PICO on your clothes or on your any kind of handkerchiefs or any clothes of the ladies. In our country, we also said the dupatta of the machine will doing PICO. For this, you have to adjust the machine on zigzag. Look, put it over on number 5 and length on number 1, on 1.5 or number 2. By step, I will show you. Look at this. Now we are doing the PICO. Look at it. The machine is doing PICO, and you have to roll the cloth under this foot so that it will forward the cloth and make the PICO perfectly and accurately. Look at this. Machine is doing PICO. Let the process complete, then I'll show you different process. Look at this. First of all, we adjust the length less number 1 or number 1.5. After that, I just change the length to number 2. Now put the foot of zigzag. Then we will do overlocking on number 19. Adjust the machine on number 19. Now we will do overlocking. Look at this. Our machine is doing overlocking. Let the process complete and I will show you. I hope you will like this tutorial a lot. And on your demand of Mr. Mafred, we will create it. Look at this. Overlock process completed. Look at this. Very strong. No need to tear or break. I hope you like this machine and its tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.